Hello everyone and welcome to the CUPRA Singapore showroom. In this video, we're going to present to you the Leon Sportstourer. Welcome back. The new CUPRA Leon Sportstourer is a vehicle reimagined by the design and engineering teams to strengthen the high-performance hatchback segment. The first thing to note is that there are two body models available, namely the hatchback and the Sportstourer. The Sportstourer we have here today is also the one that's slightly larger and slightly more powerful. This allows you to choose the ideal vehicle to best suit your needs and lifestyle, without any compromises on performance, comfort, handling, and practicality. The Leon Sportstourer is fitted with a full CUPRA exclusive body kit with a functional front grille that incorporates larger air intakes, front wings for added aerodynamism and an overall aggressiveness. Sculpted side skirts, a rear spoiler and lower rear diffuser increases the bold and stylistic edge of the Leon Sportstourer. It is also equipped with the newest in LED lighting technology, helping improve driver visibility, vision and safety. These include daytime running lights and LED indicators that are integrated to the side mirrors. At the rear, LED taillights with dynamic turn signals, as well as the brand's iconic infinite rear light that stretches from side to side, or as CUPRA calls it, coast to coast. And finally, to top off the athleticism of the Leon Sportstourer, the Quad Sports exhaust system, bringing the visual and driving experiences to a whole new level. While the new CUPRA Leon Sportstourer is lengthier than its hatchback counterpart, it ain't no slouch. In fact, it is slightly more powerful. Powered by a precision-tuned 4-cylinder 2-liter turbocharged engine mated to a quick-response 7-speed dual-clutch DSG transmission, the Sportstourer delivers a maximum output of 310 PS and 400 Nm of torque on all four wheels, and rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 4.9 seconds, with its top speed limited to 250 km/h. Allowing the driver maximum confidence with maximum performance is something the entire CUPRA range strives to do, and the Leon Sportstourer is no different. Thanks to its 4-drive all-wheel drive system, traction and grip of each individual wheel is analyzed in real time. The Leon Sportstourer is able to quickly, progressively and safely deliver just the right amount of power to each wheel. Working in tandem with its adaptive chassis control, which is capable of making decisions in milliseconds, allows for precise agility regardless of driving conditions. Another noteworthy upgrade is the CUPRA Drive Profile function, which allows the driver to seamlessly change between comfort, sport, CUPRA, and individual modes. These profile changes will dramatically switch the vehicle's personality between calm and excited. From the sports seats up front to the CUPRA badge steering wheel, everything shouts sportiness. Slip into the driver's cockpit and you will immediately begin to understand why. Visual appeal for the driver is also improved with the wide 10.25-inch digital cockpit, displaying all the vital data for the driver to stay aware of the vehicle's performance, as well as various information such as navigation and driver profiles. Another beautiful interior feature worth mentioning is the complete wraparound ambient lighting that helps create an added sense of comfort and luxury for occupants. In an effort to create a decluttered environment and to amplify a sleeker and modern experience, the large 10-inch touchscreen in the center console gives the driver and front passenger full control of the Leon Sportstourer infotainment, communications, and navigation systems. Voice and gesture controls are also integrated to the infotainment system, allowing for ease of use and added safety for the driver to remain focused on the road ahead. With up to 620 liters of storage, you will no longer need to compromise with space for both work or family trips, making the Sportstourer a practical option for all. The cabin interior has an abundant amount of both legroom and headroom and sits 5 adults comfortably. A full suite of safety and driver assist features have also been introduced to the new range of CUPRA models, helping keep both occupants and other road users safe. Why don't we take the Sportstourer outside and test out 2 of my favorite features: Park Assist, where the car parks itself with the push of a button, and Launch Control. Park Assist is an automated parking system available in all CUPRA models, where the vehicle parks itself into a parking spot. Activate the Park Assist function simply by pushing the Park Assist button. The on-screen guidance system will then guide you on the various inputs required, such as when to throttle, when to brake, and if you should be in the drive or reverse gears. Those are the only controls you need to focus on, as the CUPRA will maneuver itself safely and accurately into position. In line with the brand's sporty credentials, all CUPRA models are also equipped with launch control. When launch control is activated, the vehicle's onboard computer will assist the driver to accelerate with maximum traction and power. Thanks to the comprehensive servicing, maintenance, and warranty packages offered by CUPRA Singapore, owning a vehicle has never been easier. For more information on the entire CUPRA range, do visit us at our official website, or better yet, come on down to the showroom. We hope to welcome you here real soon. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Take care.